Good afternoon. This is Julie. It's December 18th. It's 2:30 Central, and the markets still have about half an hour on them. This is the NQ, and you can see we got stuck at the daily 2 today. The same thing with the ES, but we'll walk through these charts real quick. Weekly, we're coming into some weekly ones, 17008 on the NQ, and that's followed by a 3 at 17097 and 17346.50. I'm trying to give you some places to hedge in case the risk is to the upside and we break out for all-time highs. Um, the quarterly chart, 17465, 17500, would be the quarterly levels. The monthly levels will get you higher, 17900, and this would put us in line to hit potentially this upper high in the NQ. So we could take out the high with the current monthly risk, 17,900. Um, okay, so be aware of that. And that would take us past the quarterly, but they're already hedged. So the dealer is fully hedged and in no hurry. So whether we make it to these new highs before the end of the year or the first week or 10 days of January, they're not in a hurry, right? For right now, they're hedged, and there's no reason for them to go anywhere, if you know what I mean. So just have to take a chill pill. Um, let's look at the ES. They're fully hedged on that contract. All right, so here's the ES daily. Again, it looks just like your NQ, where we were stuck on this daily 2 for, most of the last, couple of hours since, mid-morning, 11 o'clock. And haven't really gone anywhere, just sitting here waiting for the iceberg to break, and it's not breaking. And again, we're right here below our weekly targets on the ES. That would be 48.12, 48.15. If that breaks 48.87 for an upside, that does not get you the new high on the weekly, nor the monthly. The monthly, let's see, let me refresh this real quick. The monthly at 50.73. I don't think that gets us there either. Oops. No, well, it does, yeah, just barely, 50.73. So the monthly will get us a new high, 50.73, 5073. So you would really want that 5100 as your risk, potentially for this month, if you are thinking about hedging, if we get this monthly one to break and start reaching for these twos and threes for the end of the year push. If that happens, I'm not convinced that it will yet. We've got a Bank of Japan decision coming out, which could upset the market. They've been thinking about, raising the yen rate, one bazillionth of a quadrillionth of a tick or something, and that would send the market in a tailspin as the Fed is starting to get dovish and talk about, you know, 3 or 4 cuts next year. The Bank of Japan is talking about a teeny, 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 tiny rate hike, and that would just put the market in a tailspin. But seriously, I think they're going to stick to the status quo today, say that they're monitoring stuff. They're going to be looking at trying to attract higher wages and, work with their inflation to manage their um, depreciation of their yen. What they have done to that is crazy. I don't know how they're going to unwind that. They'll probably just go full blown CBDC and, get out of it, is my guess. So we'll see. So your hedges, 50, 73, 5100 on the ES for the monthly. Let's take a look at the SPX. Let me close this. Here's the SPX. Give it 1 second. Here we go. And you can see that, oops, sorry, thought that was the SPX. Give this 1 second. Here we are. So my levels here, I'm running into a 3 month 3 at 47.91.67, and if that breaks, then we'll be looking at 50.44 for the 90-day. Our high for the SPX, the cash index, is approximately 48.20. So this 47D91 may get, a pop up to this 90-day 2 as the risk, 48.68, and or that 50.44 if it blows out. But 90-day 2, 48.68, 48.70. We're almost there on the SPX, so I think this has a very good shot at getting a double top and using that 90-day 2, 4900, 4870 something ish on your monthly. We're almost at a monthly 2, monthly 3 at 48.32, 49.97. So keep your eye on the quarterly. 48.68. I think that's going to be 48.70. Here's a 48.80 for a looks like a 30-day 2. Yep, 30-day 2. So that's all I have for you today. The year end is in sight for these highs. The only thing that could upset the apple cart at this point would be the Bank of Japan, and that's coming out today after the market closes. So be careful. You could wake up in the morning and this looks like a whole different ball game. All right? Talk to you soon. Thank you.